not clear on your why. Why do you want more money? You just, well, I just want more money. Well, money needs a purpose, right? And the energy, if you have no energy behind your attention, it's going to be like lukewarm. So that intention is not going to have any substance. You're not passionate about it. You say you want a relationship, you want a soulmate, a partner, but yet you're sort of like 1 foot in and 1 foot out. I don't know, these men, I don't know about these men, or the relationships are hard, and do I really want a partner? Do I really want someone that I need to share my life with? But yet you're saying, well, yeah, I want a partner. Well, you see what's happening here? There's split energy. So it's either could be split energy, you want something but you really don't want it, or you're not really passionate. You don't really have a purpose for your intention. Or it's that you are being influenced by someone else. Someone else is saying, okay, you should desire this, you should want this, you should do this. But it's not really your intention. It's not really coming from your soul. You're not really passionate about it. Therefore, the energy to charge your intention is not there. Number 3, you hold a fuzzy intention. So similar to what I was talking about in number 2, is that you are not clear. The best intentions are clear and focused. Be specific. If you desire to manifest money, specify the exact amount that you want to manifest, and why do you need the money? Why do you want to manifest the money? If you say, okay, I want to manifest $10,000, great. Why do you want to manifest $10,000? Money needs a purpose. Be specific. Get clear. Do not send fuzzy intentions. Do not create fuzzy intentions, and then when it doesn't happen, you are disappointed and you figure, well, this thing doesn't work. Okay, we are always manifesting, and what I teach you here is about intentional manifestation so that you can create that life, you can live that